In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw trend lines on MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open any chart, you want to go to the top left over here, and as you can see, you have a bunch of different lines. The third one here is going to be what you're looking for, and it's called a trend line. So as you can see, it says draw trend line. You want to click on this to select it, and then you want to get started by basically clicking anywhere, and when you click anywhere over here in your chart, you can then just drag your trend line, okay? So as you can see, I clicked and dragged, and there we go. We have a trend line over here on my chart. So I can go and zoom in, zoom out, and it's still going to show. So if you want to create multiple, you can simply click on the trend line again, and you simply want to click and drag, and there we go. It's going to position it wherever you want it to be, and when you release your mouse button, it's going to place it on there. So that way you can actually create as many trend lines as you want, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.